Okay, we got our letter head set up. We got our stick in. We got our hole drilled up here for our string. So we want to work on the mouth now. So we're going to use our block. And we have the mouth here. And this block is going to get attached up here. So we want to do this first. This is really your most important part of your entire head, is to make sure this mouth is operating properly for you. You want to make sure it is free and it doesn't catch on anything. Nothing's worse than you doing a show and having the mouth get stuck on you. So we're going to start with our 1-inch hinge and put that on. So we just make a little hole here. It makes it a little bit easier to put our screw in. That one. Put this one in. That's good. So then we'll take our block, this 3/4 inch block that we cut out, and we're going to put that on here. Center it there. So we got our block on, and that's what we'll open and close the mouth. So we need to check this here because we have to mark where we're going to screw this block in. So we'll slide this in place. Zip this up where it goes. We have to mark this. I need something here. We're going to put it there. So we'll mark this here where this block goes. want. So we marked it on the inside. We've got it marked here on the inside where we want to put that. So we want to measure this. Because we have to drill a hole in the side here and screw this block in. I'm going to check this. Looking at 3 inches. This side. 3 inches. Okay, so now what we have to do is line up here and make sure this is going to go right in there. It's going to go right in there. Yep. So now what we're going to do is take our drill and we're going to drill a hole in here to see where we sit. Perfect. That's what we want there. We'll do the same here. Okay. So now we're going to take our Dremel here. We're going to bore this out some. That is so we can inset that screw, and then we'll cover it up when we seal it. You know what? I think I'm going to go with a little bit smaller screw. I use a 1 1/4 inch screw since we're below this. Try that. See how much goes through. Yeah, that's going to work better. Don't need quite such a long screw since we're down on this base. So now we got those screws set, and if you're off with the screw, don't worry about it because you got to cover it up anyway. So now we'll put this in, see what we got. Since that's going to go on there. So now we'll screw this in. That's good. Do this side. Okay. Now see the mouth doesn't open.